If you are a traditional artist and you want to upload on Webtoons, you can still do that. Here's just a normal sheet of paper. Here are the dimensions that you want to try to keep that you would be looking for. I can usually fit 1 to 2 panels just on a normal sheet of paper like this. Alright, to format your picture into Webtoons format, you can go to this website called Croppy, and it will help crop your images for you. It will split it up into pieces so that you can upload it easier on Webtoon. Next, you're going to want to go to Webtoon's website, click the desktop view, and then as you can see, you can now publish on desktop through the internet browser. So you're going to want to go ahead and go to your add episode if you haven't already created your series, select file, and then you're going to want to go to the sliced images that you already made with Croppy's website, and you will upload them one at a time. And when you upload, you won't see that gap because Webtoon automatically stacks them up seamlessly. So here you go. Hope this helps.